Let's wait just a second.
A very nice dulce de leche, I think.
Perfect.
I was thinking it tastes like a cardamom bun that you can drink. Like a cardamom bun in drink form.
Oh, yeah. I wanna...
The next stop is London Fields. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
cardamom in it.
It's nice.